Hi guys. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add locks on a Microsoft resource group subscription. So first of all, I know many companies are using Microsoft subscription. So under a subscription, you can create multiple resource groups, and under multiple resource groups, you can create multiple resources. So resources can be a web server or a database or your application or any kind of service like API service or whatever. So during the deployment times or when someone who is taking care of your Microsoft Azure application, very critical application, your banking application or your website or whatever, by accidentally delete the resource group which holds multiple resources and applications which is crucial for your business. So what you will do on that once you delete a resource group, that's it as an admin. So to avoid this issue, so Microsoft Azure provides us a nice feature to you know avoid a deletion of any resource group inadvertently. So it's called lock. So I'm going to show you how to add a resource group lock. So as I mentioned earlier, first of all, you need to have a subscription. Under your subscription, you will have list of resource groups. In my case, I have created this resource group, and as an admin, I should be able to delete. But to avoid it, we can add a lock. So under settings, you can click the locks, and in the locks, you can have locks for this resource groups. So I have already added a lock called read only lock. This is a test lock. So if you want to add a new lock, you click add and then give your lock name, whatever you want to give. And the lock type so far supported by Microsoft Azure is read only and delete. So read only is makes your resource group as a read only resource group. You cannot delete, and the delete lock type will not allow your resource group to be deleted. So it's kind of like a both are similar, but it's kind of like a lock. Notification won't allow your resource group to be deleted. Let me go back to my resource group overview, and as an admin, I'm going to delete this group inadvertently. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. It's loading. Okay. Okay. So resource group copied, enter resource group name to be confirmed deletion. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, there are multiple notification even after if someone deleting, it's really a mess. Here we go. So our lock came to the rescue. So you can see the existing lock is not allowing this resource group to be deleted. So it's one of the nice feature for critical application Microsoft Azure provides. So thank you very much for watching. I'm going to make more videos about Microsoft Azure while I'm learning about Microsoft Azure. Thank you very much for watching.